Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights. We're going to do it on the driver's side or left side of the vehicle, because there's a few pieces that you need to remove to do that. The passenger side, you can do that without taking it all out, but you don't really need to remove anything to do that side. So I'm going to show you on this side. Okay, so to start with, we've moved up here. We would like to take this piece off, which is part of the air intake, and then this piece here, and then that way we can get access to be able to get down here to replace the three lights that we can replace. Right? So to get this, we have a push pin right here that we need to remove, and we just pull this tab here to undo this. So use whatever tool you like to use to get push pins out. Small screwdriver or a pick tool work well. Okay, so with that on, then we can pull this thing off, rubber grommet holding it in right there. Set that to the side. And then next, we have two push pins that are up here, one here, one there. Just remove those, and then we've got a number 10 bolt that needs to be removed on this side. And with those two components removed, now we have access to come back here to be able to remove the bulbs and replace them. And I'm going to show you how you replace the high beam headlight. You've gone ahead and removed the intake panels that are right here, and then now you can reach in here and twist this. Well, first let's undo the electric. It makes it easier while it's still inside, and then pressing the connector down, that way it's undone. Then reach in, grab, and this is the high beam. You're going to grab it and twist it a quarter turn to the right, or to the counterclockwise, to be able to remove the high beam light bulb. This light bulb is a H9, and so you would get a new H9 light bulb to be able to put back in it. So we take it, do our best not to be touching the filament there, because it will drastically affect its life. So we put it in at a 45-degree angle with the intent of the 90-degree facing to the ground. And so then we can turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to tighten it and lock it into place, and then hook up the electrical connector. And so that's how you replace your high beam light on your Nissan Rouge, and then you would just go ahead and put the air intake pieces back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.